Hi guys, good morning. An exciting announcement. Sorry, good afternoon. An exciting announcement, although that is fast by about 10 minutes, so it could still be morning. Exciting announcement. At the end of my videos, you'll probably notice I have a list of YouTube handle names who actually subscribe to my channel, are channel members at different levels. So they give me a small amount of money every month, and by carefully harvesting that money up, I've saved up and I've bought myself a 3D printer. And it was recommended to me the make by Dad's RC Hanger, Chris, and I've done a bit of research and I found actually it's very good make. So I've taken the plunge and I've started printing. What make is it? Well, it's Bambu, B-A-M-B-U, no affiliation. It's just a very nice printer indeed. I've got the P1P, and I'll turn the camera around and you can have a look, see what I'm printing. You print a little boat to start with. Never mind, just to make sure everything, I'll get it. So you print a little boat to start with. It's called a Benji. But it makes sure everything is working as it should, and it's printed beautifully. So now, as you know, I'm building a Fokker D7, the fuselage of which is here. And the fuselage, if you've been following the build, this is up to part 3. Haven't even started filming part 4 yet, to be honest, because I've been busy the last couple of weeks. But anyway, it's missing its machine guns. So the first thing I'm printing is a pair of machine guns, and I'm also going to try and source a pilot to go in there as well. Machine guns are downloaded from Thingiverse, and it's printing now. So they take an hour per gun. So as soon as they're printed, I can assemble the sort of 6, 7, 8 components, something like that, paint them black and put them on, and I can crack on with the build. So yeah, just let me turn the camera, you can see what's happening. Hopefully you can see that. I'll cut to some close-ups now. So it doesn't look much like a machine gun at the moment, does it? But if I come over the top, that's the rear end of it, the two halves are glued together, the stock I suppose you'd call it. That circle is the bullets, which I'll cut to size. Lots of little components to make up the rest of it, nozzles and what have you. And obviously the barrel. The barrel is, as it gets taller, this is something, if you know nothing about 3D printers, it prints, it divides, it slices it up into layers. I think there's about 350 odd layers on this. And it prints one layer at a time and then moves up, prints another layer, moves up. So that's what it's doing now. It's printed all these, but now it's working up the barrel. And to support the barrel, you can have 2 different types of support. This is called the tree support for obvious reasons. It looks like a tree, and it's going to help support the barrel as it gets taller. So at the moment it's been running, let's have a quick look. It's been running, got 14 minutes left to run, and it's been running for about 45 minutes. But how fantastic is that? So in a minute it's going to bridge across when it gets there. I can't see from any other angle. Let's try this angle. Where are we? Where are you? Oh, I'm zoomed in a bit, zoomed back a bit. There we go. Trying to zoom in again. Look at that. So as soon as that's finished, let's come back to you again. So as soon as that's finished printing, I'll break all the parts off and glue them together, paint it black, pop them on the model. So just once again guys, thanks ever so much to my channel members who help to fund the channel. In fact, everyone that watches my videos help to fund the channel through the our advertising revenue. It's not a lot, but it adds up. So if you're frugal, you can save up for this sort of thing. So I do say at the end of the little list of names at the end, thanks very much, it does make a huge difference. So yeah, I'll show you the finished guns on the model when I've painted them up. Cheers guys, and thanks again. Bye. Well, there they are, guys. Not perfect, but they're good enough. I've just got to tie them together at the back end now, and I think they look pretty good actually. I think the scale's about right. I thought they were a bit small, but I think they look okay. They look the business from there anyway. The engine cylinder heads aren't quite in the centre, but I couldn't put the guns off centre to compensate, but then I didn't make that bit, so I can be exonerated. So there we are, guys. The Spandau machine guns 3D printed.